5 Benefits of completing Google Cloud Platform CP100A. In today's fast-paced world, cloud computing is crucial for businesses. It offers agility, scalability, and cost savings. Google Cloud Platform (GCP) is a top cloud provider. This course instructs on mastering cloud navigation techniques. Completing the CP100A course opens up many opportunities. It offers benefits beyond technical skills. Understanding of Google Cloud Services. A key benefit of the CP100A course is its deep knowledge of Google Cloud Platform services. Participants learn about key services, like Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, and BigQuery. Enhanced career opportunities and job prospects. Many organizations seek experts in managing and deploying cloud solutions. The CP100A course boosts your job prospects. It shows your dedication to learning cloud technologies. High demand for cloud professionals. Reports say cloud jobs are among the fastest growing. CP100A provides a strong foundation, enhancing your job market prospects. Career advancement. The CP100A certification can boost your career with basic GCP skills. You can apply for jobs as a cloud architect, data engineer, or cloud consultant. This catapults your career to new heights. Boosting organizational efficiency and innovation. Improved collaboration. Employees familiar with GCP can collaborate better across teams. They harness cloud tools to streamline their workflow. Cost optimization. Knowing GCP services can help cut cloud costs. CP100A participants learn about resource management and scaling. They also learn to design cost-effective architectures. Building a strong network and community engagement. Access to a global community. Google Cloud has a vast user, developer, and expert community. The CP100A course will connect you to a global network. It will open doors to collaboration and knowledge sharing. Mentorship opportunities. Engaging with instructors and peers can lead to mentorship. They can guide you in your cloud computing career. Mentors can offer valuable insights and advice based on their experiences. Conclusion. In conclusion, completing the CP100A course on Google Cloud Platform is a smart career move. It offers many benefits beyond basic cloud knowledge. This course offers many benefits. It provides a solid grasp of GCP services. It also boosts career prospects, efficiency, and community engagement. The CP100A course is crucial for your goals in cloud computing. It will boost your career, spark innovation, or improve your cloud skills.